Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our passenger add-on cup holder kit for the Can-Am Spyder. If you purchase our Show Chrome Passenger Armrest for either your Can-Am Spyder RT or F3 and would like to keep your passenger hydrated on those long touring rides, you may be interested in our bolt-on cup holder kit. This chrome-plated steel cup holder has been specifically designed to fit the Show Chrome Passenger Armrest of the Spyder RT or F3 and includes all necessary hardware for a simple, straightforward installation. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process.
Start by removing the two screws holding the arm pad on. Then take the new mount and place it underneath the armrest support. Reinstall the washers and screws now through both mounts and tighten them both down. Next, you can slide the beverage holder into the mount. And finally screw in the set screw to hold it in place.
And it's as easy as that, folks. Now, if you love your passenger and want to stop all the complaining, then head on over to slingmods.com and grab them a cup holder today. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.